Discover the latest updates in the world of AI all in one place, every single day. If you can type, you can build a website with AI. Introducing Landing Site AI. Create a website in less than 2 minutes. Try now. LandingSite.ai. Here's how in 4 simple steps. 1. Visit LandingSite.ai. 2. Click Build a free website. 3. Enter your domain name. 4. Write a description. That's it. Step 2. Theme and website. Landing Site offers a new product template. 1. Choose from free templates, changeable anytime. Skip if not adding info. Enter email for site readiness notification. Site ready in seconds. Save and publish. Save your work. Hit publish to go live. Check out my live website, the-prohuman-ai-534.getlandingsite.com. Save time and money on web design. Create a stunning, professional website in seconds with Landing Site. Try it for free now. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe the channel.